This is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about the non-clustered index. Actually, this non-clustered index, it is like an index to the book. That means in the textbook, in the book, actually we have index in the last, so that we can refer to that word and we will go to that particular page. Like that only, this non-clustered index also, it saves that particular column in on which this non-clustered index is created is saved separately. It is stored separately, and if in the search process, if we go and search to that particular table, it goes to that index and to that pointer column, then from that employee name column, it will go to that place, and here this employee name column, it will stores the data of where it stores the actually location, pointer location, where that actual data is stored. That is how a non-clustered index it will store the data. Like in this example here, we can see create a non-clustered index ix example on clustered index on which column I have specified here the employee name as a column on which it will search process will start. So if anybody will search retrieve the data here, it will go to that employee name and search there, and then it has that particular column, particular row has the pointer to that which location actual data is present. Means here if I select, here I am creating non-clustered index table. So here it has the command is successful. Here we can see here clustered index table. We see default is this is in previous clustered index video I have done that. If we refresh it, here we can see this index is created. See example 1 non-unique non-clustered. So this is how this is a non-clustered index. If we select and if we select the data, select star from cluster index, where is that cluster index example. See, this is the data. So this is how this is like already it is in it has searched the clustered index and non-clustered index also. So both both indexes are saved. That's why and about this one clustered index I have explained in the previous video. You can refer here. If the data has retrieved the data with the employee name, it will take like Arvind. This employee name column is separately stored with this particular pointer location of that particular one, and it will, whenever the search process starts, it will go there, and that pointer location for that particular row, it will go to that column employee name column. It search for the name, and then the corresponding pointer location will be there. It will go and search the original data. So that is how this non-clustered index data is index is created. And the other one is I have created the same thing like a non-clustered index employee group tables with the name employee name. We can see here it's already indexes. Here it is a, you can see it is a default for any table we have one default clustered index, and this indexes will be like non-clustered. For a table we can have any number of non-clustered indexes. So this is how the non-clustered index can be formed. For a table we should have only one clustered index and many number of non-clustered index. So here the differences between the clustered index and non-clustered index is only one clustered index is for per table, whereas a non-clustered index can have more than one. And the other thing is this cluster index is faster than the non-clustered index because in non-clustered index it has refer back to a table. If it's selected, it should refer back to the table if any selected column is not present in the index. If whatever the selection column is not there in the index, then it has go to the main table and you will retrieve the data. So in that situation, the clustered index is more faster than this. This is how this is the difference between a clustered index and non-clustered index. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my channel.